Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Stories and picking a plain background so your text will read under the photo. Once you're in, tap the text tool and type the full copy you want sitting behind the image. Make the text size and color clearly visible, darker text on light backgrounds, or vice versa. Make sure spacing and line breaks are finalized now, because you'll place the picture on top of this text next. This preps composition and avoids retyping later. Once done with the text, switch to stickers and choose the photo sticker to import the image you want on top. This puts the image layer above your text. Now resize and drag the photo so it overlaps the text where you want the text to appear behind the image. If you need more contrast, duplicate the text layer and offset it slightly for a shadow or outline effect. Make sure focal points align, then preview by tapping elsewhere to see the layered result. Finish by refining edges. Pinch to scale the photo, rotate or nudge it to create the exact overlap you want. Once satisfied, consider duplicating the text and changing its color slightly to create a visible edge where the image overlaps. This helps readability. If Instagram won't let you layer correctly, export the composition as an image and re-import it as a sticker, or use a simple editor app to combine text and image before uploading. That troubleshooting trick fixes stubborn layering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.